Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could last more than 2 days on a charge. Today it's all about the upcoming Galaxy Watch 5 from Samsung. Ask any smartwatch owner what the worst thing is about the current generation of wearables, and you're likely to hear the same answer no matter the device battery life. Even as gadgets like the Galaxy Watch 4 and other premium Android smartwatches get faster with each passing year, none seem to last longer than 24 hours on a charge. Samsung has a couple of watches planned for an official unveil at Galaxy Unpacked on August 10th, where it could be the first company to introduce multi-day battery life on a full-fledged wearable. This latest rumor comes to us from Ice Universe on Twitter, who gave us the most tantalizing tease yet for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Assuming this leak is correct, Samsung's upcoming top-tier smartwatch could provide at least 3 days of battery, blowing the competition out of the water in the process. While other wearables, specifically fitness trackers and hybrid devices, can reach a week of battery life and regular use, standard Wear OS smartwatches from Samsung, Fossil and other brands rarely make it past a day in real-world conditions, with a small exception carved out for some models, even Apple. After nearly a decade's worth of work developing a smartwatch lineup, has been unable to provide true multi-day battery life. It shouldn't come as much of a surprise given the rumor mill surrounding the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. While all rumors indicate Samsung's high-end smartwatch is losing out on its rotating bezel, easily our favorite feature on the Watch 4 Classic. The earliest reports surrounding this device all focused on a massive battery combined with an improved processor. It's not too hard to imagine real multi-day battery life on wearables is within grasp, without having to rely on low power modes or e-ink displays. Now it's important to take any multi-day battery claims with a grain of salt. After all, Samsung advertised the Galaxy Watch for last year as lasting 48 hours on a charge, which hasn't held up to our testing. Still, considering the claim here, at least 3 days, the Watch 5 Pro could be the first time skipping a charge overnight wouldn't mean finding time to power up the next day. That's a monumental step for wearables, and could be enough for any Galaxy Watch fan, even those who purchased the watch for last year, to consider an upgrade. So what do you think about this new upgrade from Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? Share me in the comments section below. And all the latest updates on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.